Oh man. I thought this was a doctor's office. What's going on? Oh well, I guess this is my room.
Oh, Joey. Hello. I'm your doctor, Dr. Soto.
Yes.
So,
My name's Joey.
what brings you in today?
Well, today, you might not believe this, doctor, but I've been having these crazy symptoms.
Sorry. Can you put the mask back on?
Oh.
We're in a pandemic. This precaution.
Like some pretend diseases. I see. Well, anyway, I have these symptoms lately. I think I got them from work.
Where
And
do you
it's
work?
hereditary. I think my great uncle Joe had it. I work at Albertsons.
Oh, I have no idea what that is.
Oh, really? You never been there? Oh, wow, that's insane. Well, anyway, good thing, because you can get what I could get, what I have. So I have this thing. It's called horse cough.
Horse cough.
Yes. So sometimes, when I cough or sneeze, I make a horse noise. It's kind of ruining my life. I haven't. See? The build-up, it hurts. It's killing me, doctor. I need.
Joey, I'm not sure if this is a real condition.
It's killing me, doctor.
Have you looked this up at
Yes.
all, or?
It's everywhere.
Hold on.
It's in all the places.
I'm confused, Joey, because I've never heard of this in all my years of studying diseases.
Oh, how long have you been studying for?
About yeah, I don't know. I might have to consult with another doctor on this.
I think it's the best for my health and stuff.
Yeah, hold on. Let me step outside and consult with another physician. Hold on. Just wait a minute. Hello, doctor? Dr. Joey?
Yes, Dr. Joey here speaking. Who's this?
This is Dr. Soto. We went to school together.
How you doing, Soto?
Pretty good. I just have one question. I have a patient by the same name as you, actually.
Joey's a great name.
He says that he has a disease called the horse cough.
Well, first, did you ask him, can he cough without making a horse noise?
No, but it just seems so absurd in the first place. So I wasn't even thinking about that. But
Well, he can't do that. Know that the horse cough is real. Very dangerous. Started in India. It's migrated all around the world. Some say it's even worse than coronavirus. More contagious, even deadlier.
I see. Okay. Then I trust your opinion. I'll ask the patient.
Well, of course you trust my opinion. I was always the better student on this when we were in Harvard. You're always kind of a novice compared to me. Well, anyway, I'm back. I'm busy and successful. See ya.
All right. Thank you. Hey, Joey. I just got off the phone
Oh, you're
with.
back, doctor. Take this off.
Yeah, I just got off the phone with another doctor, coincidentally with the same name as you.
Joey's a great name.
Yeah. And he said that he kind of suggested and said maybe that you could cough without the horse noise at the end.
I don't know.
If you could try.
Try to make me sneeze and then I'll see. Go. No, it's not working.
Oh, well,
You really tried too.
Well, if that's the case, Joey, then I'm gonna have to give you the medicine.
Yeah.
because I trust Dr. Joey's say, so I mean I guess you earned it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take those every day for 2 years, and the refills are here and everything, and yeah, I'll give you a referral for refills. Sorry I doubted you.
It was great it was great working with you, sir.
Yeah.
Or not working. I mean, coming here to the benefit of my health, and I think you're an alright doctor.
Thank you, Joey.
Well,
See you around?
when I run out of these, you'll see me.
Okay.
Because I have the horse cough.
We'll get better with that.
Yeah, I will.